The Karbi Employees Association Bokule General Committee has organized a very special program on 19th of May 2024 for organizing a felicitation program to the successful students of SSLC as well as Higher Secondary Final Exams in 2024. Especially the KEA Bokule General Committee has planned to felicitate the successful students covering Greater Langkawi MSc constituency, and besides that, the adjoining areas of Langkawi constituencies, which is very near MSc constituency, Singhasan constituency, as well as Colonial MSc constituency and Aurangabad MSc constituency. And besides that, the students, those who are studying out of Karbi Anglong district and their residences are in Langkawi MSc constituency, we are going to felicitate for them also. Therefore, we the organizing committee, especially KEA, Karbi Employees Association Bokule General Committee, wants to encourage the successful students in SSLC as well as in Higher Secondary Final 2024, so that our students may create more good results in the coming days when they are pursuing in their higher classes. We know very well that we the Karbi students are very lagging behind in studies in comparison to other students. But just a token of love and encouragement to the successful students and those who are pursuing metric, that is those who are pursuing class 10 this year, we want to encourage them, and they should also follow the examples that the students have already been successful in the SSLC final exam and HS final exam in 2024. And we have nothing, we have no extra agenda for organizing this felicitation program, but the main theme for organizing such a precious program is that to encourage and to promote the atmosphere of education in Langkawi constituency in general and entire Karbi Anglong as well as West Karbi Anglong in general. So those citizens, those stakeholders who have contributed for making the successful of tomorrow's, that is 19th May 2024 program, we on behalf of the organizing committee extend our acknowledgement to all the well-wishers who have contributed generously for making the success of tomorrow's felicitation program. And besides that, we invited as a guest from the Karbi Employees Association Central Committee, and we are very hopeful that our guests from Karbi Employees Association Central Committee would also participate in tomorrow's program. And besides that, the successful students, those who may get the invitation letter in time or not, that is not the question. But as a general appeal to all the students concerned, especially the successful students of HSLC and Matric, Higher Secondary, they should come forward to receive their felicitation at United Karbi Club, Bokule, on 19th May 2024. And besides that, the employees, especially Karbi employees who are residing in Langkawi MSc constituency are also kindly requested to be present during the felicitation program. And with this, our today's press meet is from on behalf of the Karbi Police Station, Operator Company is over.
Ini press mailong nanti tong dungke kapot dari Karbi Police Station, Bokolia Ropen Amaipu, media person Tuhan akan sineri ni tong pen suri sudah kalam pajeri lo. Nilai dong ini langsung press meet ibinan kau tengah lakuin hello. Ini tu makai ke makai mason cincuk tinggalan lasi. Asabe tunai ini kan ikan HSLC lapen HS finally dun makan. Asabe tunai ini tu abi proyek orang pemaji ciptatir di ponsi. Alam itu mat kartu itu minkan. Akhirnya lah ini tu masalah kartu pendapat alang itu malah kekeh dia itu akhirnya crash dong kalau karpen aben ke digital laju laso kartu pendapat itu masalah tu jakong jakong tu sini tu mana lasi pilih mereka ke pas HS lapen HS lagi asnalan turun langkah kan itu karya itu jangan tu mana yang si City mata message long elang kacuriya message long elang terus ke nanti tu kacura media hoi kan tu nak ini lo nanti tu marjulong tu terus ke kenapa program 19 kenapa nanti orang banyak orang itu dah itu ini pun ini kita kat kelapa long elang tu lanjut lah nanti tu mana kacur pengalaman kita apa yang media kau tidak pada curi lo lasolang pacetak mereka Iman itu tak kadoe panahari so yang mande pagi pagi ni dia tadi masih langkah kan itu mana kopi injil dong si angkat kecil itu protes kalau pun kami laso ada ni orang nanti tahu dah aso itu kan tu itu nanti tahu sampai ke batu sini tu lah tu media kan nak teman tu nanti tahu lapan isi Cururi itu udah laso asai ke dengan orang itu man kayak dengan karbi ini tu mah itu mah orte inggir itu mah karbi bolong nang itu contribution mah tenang tu negara belum well besar udah semelo ini pen itu mah negara belum angka mah pencelo budi sore lapen itu mana yang dapat hedung lahai apa laso good mana itu mana ngerabun kapto le korte injil atau mah pantan itu mendingan kompen akan itu han coro real lapen alam itu angke kenapa program dong nah aja tong lima itu ngahinten alam itu mencuri rilo lapen alam itu man banget dengi kok sini itu matai lo lasi media korte nama juni rilo nanti tu tampe pacetak tampe ate laso pacetak menda satu akam cobi pusini lima kalo lasi ini press meet ke hanga alam tegela min ke lapan halo
Lili dong penam 19 May 2024 ani Karbi Employee Association Bokolia Journal Committee ahin dan higher secondary labante HSLC asaplan theki osomar ilito masomar lohan karchuji asai abake dilito chisik chedang labno lasi ini karome me alam magalalo aprang asam galilo ke ilito masomar sakale higher secondary ande labe HSLC ande ki una hai sitame topik lo senior ni ilito chini lo ai sakotin pachitame Dopikan lo nilito pangrung mo kan long lo la sipina babake bang harut hobak asomar citong ji usi nilito ing thelo lo kan dopikan por pangrung pen nilito chini lo la si ke om do asomar phake nilito basa puruta setame pakjulong lo la pen konani karjulong ne asom dolan kolote alam itu nilito pakjulong lo setame alam itu nani nana pen sos kan setame arjuno polote alam itu belana setong ini kusi itu pacini lo la pen de langfer aso mara fangsi nil tum kartu choti la pogali la tebok tera school tum da kitab ke bang joy ke aso mar tumar ma ke chitong lumi nil tum jela tera samar ma ke arsu choti kita gali pen kartu aso ke the o la to nil tum piu de athima aso mar apai la ta tu pikan lo sita de onar ke nil tum bori ko tera ma ke kadu garu pasane masab sabet ta sita nil tum kartu ji panchi siglo la pen la bangso asylum penang an karbing long la employees satu helowing dan atum sedami kiram apa lelo nilu tum ningarong piklo dan kuliah general committee din spirika mamai tum ningarong lo alam itu contribution apa lepo alam itu man suruh bende asih penang asylum bangke 400 and 500 dan aso marsitong ke sini telo la pente alam itu api ko guardian sonda doji la pen difu central committee KES central committee plan bangku kami tentang cetong doji masih alam itu kan setami mission sen lampu itu marjudo na la pen mission ben sai chunbu ko sini tu ning thelo si langel itu masih